Use your fingers to massage this area. So in the middle, back of your neck, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. And use other hand, do the same thing here. Middle of your neck area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 36. You could do this set at least twice a day. So when you're catching cold, you may have poor appetite. You don't need to eat that much. Eat a lot of warm soup. By doing this exercise, we can stimulate the acupuncture points that can strengthen our immune system. Please use your thumb massage this area. 1, 2, 3, 36. Please do other hand too. Here, 1, 2, 3, 36. So second, use your thumb massage between this collarbone, this deep. So 1, 2, 3, like this, 36 times. And then massage this sternum area, like this. 1, 2, 3, do 36. By doing these exercises, can stimulate our lung and kidney meridians, can help us reduce coughing.